This is the Asus Chromebook C423N. I recently took off this chip in part 1. Part 2 is to fit it and then test to see if it works. So there's the new chip. Just get rid of the old one. You've got to make sure chips go the right way around. They have a dot on there. And on this one, you can see in the corner the shaded white. That would be where the dot would go. But pin 1. So that's where it needs to be placed. So I need to set up the hot air and get some flux down. Put a bit of flux on there. I don't like putting too much. A little bit too much, but yeah, it'll be fine. That's all lined up. Get the hot air on it. Camera's having a bit of a fit for some reason. Hot air set to 420. Give it a little nudge. And let it cool down. Have a quick look. See if I can see the solder balls. I can see them through the microscope. I'm not quite got it so you can see it. Realised I brought it up a bit. They look alright. Bit of IPA, give it a bit of clean. Lint-free cloth, get rid of any marks. Put it back in the housing, give it a test. That looks good. There we have it. It's working fine. Set up all the Wi-Fi. Log in as a guest. There it is. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.